Southland Casino in West Memphis, Arkansas, and we're at their new hotel. And I'm staying in room 1005. When you come in, you have a closet right here. We have an iron and hangers, ironing board. On the opposite side, we have a bathroom, a huge sink and counter space, and we have towels down below, and your hair dryer, magnifying mirror, some nice artwork. We have the bathroom toilet. And this is awesome. We have this beautiful shower. It has the regular wand, and it also has the rainforest shower head. It is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at the tile. The tile is beautiful. And it's enough room for 3 people to fit in there. All right. And you have a full-length mirror. And then when you go in here, you have a nice love seat sofa right there. You have lamps. You have a side table. And then over here, we have a couple of drawers for storage. We also have a huge television. More storage on this side. And then we have the refrigerator here. Alrighty. And if you need to do a little work, you have a work desk. And then over here, we have 2 chairs and a table in case you want to eat there. Not too bad of a view. Sorry about that, guys. The view isn't so bad. This room is beautiful. And guys, that's my room tour for Southland Casino in West Memphis, Arkansas. See you when I see you.